Alright, hello everyone. This is going to be a somewhat quick video. I'm going to try an experiment. I've been trying many times. I think I finally got it down. It involves a package of ramen. Can't see it. Package of ramen and a 3-cup coffee maker. Now, I've seen it done before, and I've never tried it. Well, actually, I can't say I've never tried it, but I wanted to try it for the longest time. So I've been trying it for the past 2 days because I got a trip coming up, and going to hotels for stuff, food can get crazy expensive. So I'm going to see, I'm going to take my little 4-cup coffee maker and make the ramen with it to see if it works. Like I've seen on TV before. Did I see it on TV? Yeah, I saw it on TV once. So I'm going to see what happens, and we're going to go from there. So, here we go. Alright. So, as you can see, yes, I'm in my tiny home that I stay in for the summer. Spring and summertime. And I don't have water over here because, you know, my parents are right next door. But that doesn't matter. Or maybe I should, but it doesn't. So what I'm going to do now is take this bottle of water. Sound like I'm on a cooking show. I'm going to only fill it to 3 cups this time. And see what it does. I have been doing this. Oh, there we go. I've been doing this 2 days now. And I think I've gotten it down. I hope a bottle is actually going to fit. Okay. 3-cup mark. 3-cup mark. Oh, wait a second. Here we go. There. A little bit more better lighting. So look. 3-cup mark. Ooh, ah. Okay. So. Ow. Found my computer screen. Now doing this, everyone tries to save money when they go on trips. I do it because, well, I just do it. So obviously, as people can see, it's not gonna fit. Trying to figure out how to, oh, okay. So all you do is break it. Well, that was more worse than before. Put it all in there somehow. Oh, this one's different. This one's being more complicated for me. I wonder if I should put this as how to cook ramen in a coffee maker. I don't know. Pretty sure everyone has their own ways of making ramen. I've done this one, like I said, two times already. This is my 3rd time trying to get it perfect. So we'll see what this does. And this is all before I go to work too, so. Eat the leftover. Okay. Now, I'll put this back in. If I can remember how it goes back in. Never mind. These I'm 32 and I can't even put a coffee pot back together. Alright, so put that back in its place. I've only used this thing like once for video. The other one, my parents have the same one. So I'm going to turn it on. And once it's done, I'm going to come back and I'll show you what it's doing. Because I'm pretty sure no one wants to watch that. So hold tight. Alright, now that that boring process is done, I forgot to do this on the camera, but I got tongs. I don't have any disposable silverware, but you just mix it all up. I'm pretty sure everyone's going to be like, yeah, that's not how you make ramen, that's gross, blah, 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 blah. You know what? This is how I'm making it. It's probably too much water anyways. Plus, the coffee pot, the coffee maker, can work as a heating pad as it's warming. I'm going to just drop that piece I was going to try for myself. But, oh well. I mean, you can let it sit for 3 minutes or so. I don't know, depending on how long. If the hot water cooks it down long enough. That's the one thing I didn't forget to bring over. Oh well. Let it sit for a few. Let's see. What else to talk about while I'm letting it sit? Okay, I know I did get one subscriber, but who knows how long that lasted. Because I don't really do videos that often because of work. But when I do, I try to get one in. A video in here and there. Random stuff. Games. Build something. Work on something. I don't know. Something just to get on there. Alright, well, let's see. Let's see, it is 12:30, okay. So let's just take this out now. I could just do like use these to eat it. Why not? Oh, someone's home. Well, it's gonna look weird, but ramen. Who doesn't like ramen, right? Hot. You know what? The 3 cups. Letting it sit for a little bit while it's done. It actually makes it a little better. So 3 cups it is. We'll work on that later. But I'm going to do this video. I'm going to do another one while I'm at the hotel to see what my other friends think about it. They'll probably think it's weird, but I'm trying to eat on a budget in a hotel, especially at a Hilton. I'm not gonna spend almost $20 for a single thing of food for myself, where a pack of ramen can cost you about 25 cents. What's 25? Yeah, it's 25 cents. So, leaving it there. This is Pony Joe. Hope everyone enjoyed this somewhat long, boring video about cooking ramen in a coffee maker. Or with a coffee maker, not in a coffee maker, with a coffee maker. So until next time, this is Pony Joe. I'm signing off.